Hello, my name is Doğa Bilgiç. I'm going to read a book called Lucy's Box. Lucy finds a big box. She opens it. Inside there is a dragon and some paints. "Hello, Lucy, let's paint," says the dragon. She gives Lucy a paintbrush. First they paint with red and orange. Then they paint with yellow and green. And then they paint with blue and purple. Lucy says, "Look at my rainbow." "Look at my rainbow," says the dragon. "Does your dad like rainbows?" says the dragon. "Yes," says Lucy, "but he doesn't like a mess." The dragon says, "Let's clean it up." Lucy says goodbye to the dragon. "That comes in, let's paint," he says. That's the end. Bye.